Nope, not roti prata. These are Taiwanese scallion pancakes. Knead a dough from plain flour, salt, and hot water. Cover and set aside for 30 minutes. Cut into 2 pieces. Dust with flour and roll it out into a rectangle. Now spread some coconut oil or lard mixed with Sichuan pepper powder. Sprinkle plenty of chopped scallions and roll it tightly into a cigar shape. Cut into 4 equal pieces. Hold upright and flatten. Dust with flour. Roll into discs. Roast. Brushing with oil until crispy. Scrunch. And serve them hot.